What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I'm going to tell you what cheap dividend stocks I've been loading up on and buying lately. And I'm going to explain to you my rationales as to why I've been buying them. There's some serious potential. Of course, it's not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description. But let me tell you, certain months now, I'm making $800+ in dividend income / passive income, and it's really paying off. And these guys have pretty solid dividend growth. So make sure you hit that notification bell after you subscribe. A lot of you guys want me to do reviews on stocks, and I have done reviews on them. You just haven't hit the notification bell. And you can always search in the YouTube search bar, say like Arbor Realty Trust, just type Darth Dividend, and then do Arbor Realty Trust, because my name will probably show up in a lot of stocks that I've reviewed. So let's check these dividend stocks out right now. So the first one I've been loading up on is Huntington Bancshares Incorporated. HBAN is a symbol, sitting at $11.51. It has a dividend yield of 5.38%, a PE ratio of 7.94, average volume 28.28 million. The market cap is 16.71 billion US dollars. Year range was 994 to 1574. Its day range is 1138 to 1159. Its previous close was 1163. So what do I like about these guys as a financial sector stock? They're a 189 billion asset regional bank holding company located in Columbus, Ohio, founded in 1866. The Huntington National Bank and its affiliate provide consumers, small and middle market businesses, corporations, municipalities, and other organizations with a comprehensive suite of banking, payments, wealth management, and risk management products and services. Huntington operates more than 1,000, did you see that, 1,000 branches in 11 states, with certain businesses operated in extended geographies. So they're big. That's one thing that I like about them. They have 11 states. And this is on their website. They're very transparent about that. And I'm going to go over their revenue and dividend history. Revenue-wise, this is annually in millions US dollars. 2016, it was $3,782. 2017, $4,740. 2018, $5,270. 2019, $5,655. 2020, $5,238. 2021, $6,080. 2022, $7,950. There is a huge increase in revenue. With a huge increase in revenue, there's pretty good chances that there's solid dividend growth. Let's check that out. We'll start in 2011. It was 4 cents. 2012 was still 4 cents quarterly. 2013, 5 cents. 6 cents. 2016, 7 cents. 2017, 8 cents. 2018, 11 cents. 14 cents. 2019, 15 cents. 2022, it cracked 16 cents. So the payout ratio is 41%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 3. Dividend growth in 5 years is 3.83%. That's not too bad. They're a cheap dividend stock. If you bought one share, you made 62 cents with a 5.33% dividend yield. That's a high yield for a cheap dividend stock. And plus their revenue's gone up. Let's check out the next dividend stock. Next one that's looking pretty hot right now is Viatris. This is one I'll probably be buying tomorrow, as of, well, actually Monday. It's sitting at 966. I've been buying these guys. It's right now 4.97%. So if they crack down to 950, I'm definitely going to buy them, as well as load up my M1 Finance dividend portfolio on Monday. PE ratio 5.66. Average volume 9.15 million. The market cap is 11.57 billion US dollars. Year range is 842 to 1240. Day range is 965 to 975. And its previous close was 968. So these guys, again, pharmaceutical company. These guys are a new kid on the block. I'll probably do a detailed review on these guys shortly and do a remix, because I really like these guys. They're cheap. They're less than $10. So I'll go over their revenue and dividend history. So I'm going to go over 2021, 2022 with their revenue trends. So 2021, it was 17,000. This is annually in millions US dollars. In 2022, 16,262. Went down, but guess what? They have a lot of products that are high in demand, and I need to do a remix on these guys as to why I buy them. So I'm going to show you their dividend history. And again, they're so new, it's just hard to determine how things are going. But with the products that they deliver to patients, or if you want to call them customers, it's pretty strong. So here's their dividends. 2021 it was 11 cents, and 2021 it was 11 cents, and 2022 and 2023 it was 12 cents. I'm hoping for increase in the dividend hike. We'll see with the economy and what's going on. Let's check out the next dividend stock. This one I've been buying on M1 Finance a lot. Wendy's, it's sitting at 22.64, a dividend yield of 4.42%, PE ratio of 27.54, average volume 3.29 million. Market cap is 5.12 billion US dollars. Its year range is 1577 to 2378. Day range was 2238 to 2265, and its previous close was 2244. So what do I like about Wendy's? I'm on Wendys.coms, and this is one thing they're saying. So in the next few years, our goal is to reach 8,000 to 8,500 restaurants by the end of 2025. They have a bright future ahead, and they would like to thank the Wendy's family members for the progress made in the year to accelerate growth. So this is on their website, just some things. Within the 30 years of history in Mexico and only 23 locations, they announced plans to significantly expand Wendy's presence in Mexico. They believe there should be hundreds of Wendy's restaurants across the country. In 2022 as well, they celebrated the opening of Wendy's 7,000th restaurant. Congratulations again to Genesis Restaurant in Dracula, Georgia. Hopefully I said that right. Another thing is with their expansion, they share their intention to recruit new master franchises to build upon Wendy's restaurants in Ireland, Australia, and Spain. And they returned to the United Kingdom. They kept momentum going of the year and opened company restaurants in Camden, Kingston, Maidstone, Sutton, and Uxbridge. They also welcomed Square Burgers Limited to the Wendy's family, the first franchise partner to open a traditional Wendy's restaurant in the UK. So there's some serious plans. Now let me show you the revenue and dividend history. So here's our revenue annually. This is in millions US dollars. 2016, 1,435. 2017, 1,223. 2018, 1,589. 2019, 1,709. 2020, 1,733. 2021, 1,896. And 2022, 2,095. So that's a lot of growth in revenue from 2016 and 2022. Now let's check out their dividend history. Check out this growth. 2015 it was 6 cents, 2016 it was 7 cents, 2018 9 cents to 10 cents, 2019 and 2020 12 cents. They had a little bit of a cut. You can blame the pandemic. 2020 5 cents to 7 cents, 9 cents to 10 cents, and 2021 to 12 cents. And then they hit 13 cents. And then they hiked their dividend to 25 cents. So they have a low payout ratio of 57%. 5-year dividend growth, 13.13%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 8. If you bought one share, you made $1 with a 4.46% dividend yield. That's very attractive. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. And this is a real estate investment trust, Pine, Alpine Income Property Trust. I've done numerous videos on these guys. So again, search my name on YouTube and then type in that word and you'll probably find my review. Sitting at 1615, average volume 120.23K. Market cap is 227.14 million US dollars. Year range is 1541 to 2079. Day range is 1569 to 1641. Its previous close is 1572. Let me show you their revenue and dividend history. Revenue-wise, it has jumped up huge. This is annually in millions US dollars. Remember, FFO is more important. 2018, 1172, 2019, 13.23, 2020, 19.24, 2021, 30.12, and 2022, $45. Now, again, if you search my username and the word, you'll probably find it. And I am pretty sure I went over the FFO. Now let's check out their dividend history. Let's check this out. 2019, it was 6 cents. 2020, 20 cents. 2.22 cents, 2021, 24 cents, 2.25 cents, 2.26 cents, 2.27 cents in 2021, 2022, 2023, 28 cents. Payout ratio is 64%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 7. Dividend growth in 5 years is 30.29%. So if you bought one share, you made 110 with a high dividend yield of 7%. Let's check out the final dividend stock. Final dividend stock that took a huge hit is KeyCorp. It's sitting at 11.52, a dividend yield of 7.11%, PE ratio of 6.50, average volume 35.41 million, market cap is 10.66 billion US dollars. The tier range was 961 to 2119. Day range is 1153 to 1193, and its previous close was 1204. So they have a lot of branches as well in numerous states. So the bigger the better, usually with bank stocks and locations, because can they survive? That's one thing. If you look at Silicon Valley, luckily they were helped by the government, if you want to say, but you know, these guys are big and they've been through a lot and they stood strong during the recession. So let's go over the revenue and dividend history. So 2016, annually in millions US dollars, 5,390, 2017, 6,868, 2018, 7,393, 2019, 7,694, 2020, 7,337, 2021, 7,561, 2022, 8,130. So there's a huge increase in revenue. Now let's go to the dividend history. Let's start in 2013, it was 6 cents, 2014, 7 cents, 2015, 8 cents, 2016, 9 cents, 2017, 10 cents, to 11 cents, 2018, 12 cents, and they jumped up to 17 cents in 2018, 2019, 19 cents, 2020, still 19 cents, 2021, 19 cents, and then they just hiked their dividend at 20 cents, and they jumped it to 21 cents in late 2022. In 2023, it was 21 cents. So their payout ratio is 43%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 5.94%. If you bought one share, you made 82 cents with a 6.81% dividend yield. I've been loading up in the financial sector stocks. Of course, it's not financial advice, for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. I'm excited to post a lot more videos for you guys. Make sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe if you are new to this YouTube channel. And we reached 1 million views. And I want to thank you guys so much for being amazing subscribers and being very active and supportive in my journey towards dividend investing and my reviews toward dividend stocks, ETFs, covered call ETFs, and my journey in nurse practitioner school. It will be coming to an end in August. So I'm looking forward to turbocharging my dividend portfolio. I have a few more strategies I'm going to reveal to you that I plan on doing. So I'm very excited to reveal that to you, because with this travel nursing pay, I have opportunities to really capitalize on things. And I do plan on picking up overtime in August. I can tell you that. You guys take care. And I'm hoping to have another video tonight. So make sure you check it out, that video. I like choked on water when I'm talking. But I'm going to try to do 2 in a row. Maybe Saturday I may try to do 2 in a row as well. Take care.